In this screencast, we will take a look at our new workflow for reusing a question in My Interaction to build out the question banks. After adding the question bank to the board, click on Add Interaction to Question Bank to start building. Besides building from scratch with multiple choice or check-out interactions, instructors can now reuse the interaction they created before by selecting the My Interaction option. Please note that only multiple choice and check-out interactions will display here. Instructor can also search for keywords to find the desired interaction. To find the questions used in previously created question banks, please use the filter above and change the type to Random Question Banks. Please click on the small triangle in front of the question bank to expand it and see all the questions in it. Select the questions you would like to reuse by clicking on the checkbox in front of it or selecting the entire question bank. After selecting all the desired questions, click on Preview to see details of the selected interaction. Then click Add Interactions to add them to the new question bank. After adding questions to the question bank, instructors can further edit them by clicking on each question.